This is the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. This is the new Lamborghini Temerario, replacing the Huracan with its 10,000 RPM 4-liter biturbo V8, 3 electric motors for a total of 907 brake horsepower. What a beast of a V10 replacement. The interior is inspired by the Revuelto with screens for the center and the passenger and fully configurable. It only weighs 1,700 kilos, allowing for a 0-60 time of 2.7 seconds. This styling is inspired by the Gallardo and the Huracan, and its aerodynamic efficiency allows it to reach 211 miles per hour faster than all of its competitors. What a way to electrify for the future, Lamborghini.